Alright, first you gonna put that makeup on, blend that thing. Then you gonna cut it up real good. Make sure it's lined up, not too much. You're gonna keep a little bit on there. Then you're gonna add the glue and dots. Then you're gonna spread it with whatever you got. Don't matter what it is, just make sure you spread that thing on there. Then you're gonna let it dry, then you're gonna do it again. Feel me? Rub that little shit in.
We get it.
Oh, thank you, babe. Oh my god, I love it. Can't wait till he married me. That shit busting, man. I ain't gonna lie. What? I can't even breathe right now. It's just so good.
Now you just talking.
We could really do something other than fighting. We could turn up and get lit.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to pause this. We gonna have to.
Anyways, besides what she talking about, gonna re-glue that thing. Then you gonna keep smearing that shit. I could cut some here. Alright, anyways. If not, she could edit it out. You can see she just picking shit up, so it could just, you feel me? It just tell you could use anything to smear the glue up on your head. That's like her third object, but it's good, man. She getting it right. When you gonna press down with your fingers, good little press down, and use something to press that shit to again. Really get them angles, man. You gotta really give it that little strength. Then you're gonna cut your little sideburns, side piece, whatever you wanna call it. Line it up with your ear. Then re-add some glue on the side. So your thing stay. Damn, she dropped the wood. Then we're gonna tie that thing up, make sure that shit real tightened down, man. So we do our other little side quest we gotta do. We gonna have that right then and there laid when we done. There you see a little hair deodorant going on. It ain't really deodorant, but it's on there. There we go, hot comb that thing out, man. Add some more deodorant on it. Make it blend real good. I don't know what she got going on where it. I don't know what happened, babe.
I'm burning myself.
And we're gonna line it up with your natural hairline. You gonna line the lace up and trim it until you get a little line up on your shit. And then you're gonna keep, you feel me? Go all the way around 360 or however you gotta go. Whatever angle work. Gonna use your little razor. Take all that shit off. And you're gonna get all up through that little thing, man. She gonna get all up in there. Then you're gonna take your little extra hair parts out so you can do them edges with them. Then we're gonna make sure our little edges ain't nappy. We're gonna hot comb them out. We're gonna put our other one to the side. Now, never mind. We're gonna put it right back out. Even it up. Make sure it's the same length, same little hair parted out as the one on the other side. And then we're gonna cut them real, not too short, but just like enough to where you think it's gonna be like a natural, like edge type shit. I don't know how you want to get too detailed on that, but that's how you gonna want to do it. So she twisted her little shit up. I don't know what for, but probably to just, get that little shot out the way so she could get her side partner. So she giving herself another antenna, putting it on the little side. Now that's really her little side edges. So she putting her edges to the side so she could bust down the rest. But before all that edge cutting and slaying, you want to make sure your shit damn near melted all the way down to your hair. You see us giving real scalp. You feel me? Now I don't know bunk shit. Now I don't know different colors. I came real close. Well, she came real close to the light, and you see nothing but forehead and hair. You don't see no lace. You don't see no makeup out of pocket. Everything on point, man. Everything on point. But that's how it's gonna be when you fuck with her.
Just start out with it.
Gonna blow dry the rest. Keep on going in. Press that thing down. Make sure it's right. After that, I put a little headband on so I could lay my shit. Well, lay her shit. I ain't gonna lie. Let's go lay her shit in. Now she take her little antennas out. You feel me? She cut about 80% off. Little hot press her edges out so it's easier to curling do, cause I was gonna let them in on the secret that you don't even know how to do edges for real, but she be busting them down cause of that little pressure thing. She curled them edges, now she in the game. But you see the little hottie, man. You see a good hottie coming out busting out the plastic, acting who now? Oh, alright. Yeah, you see her little pretty face, got the edges done, hair curled to the finest, but shit busting, you hear me? So now we just gonna add final touches like little makeup shit to make sure you get that extra bling when you in the sunlight, out the sunlight, on camera and out of camera. It's gonna look all the way good all the way around, man. So now y'all could just see a hottie in performance like she had a modeling agency, and she just gonna pose for y'all do her shit.
Yeah, got your baby mama in here, she sucking on dick. She calling me her daddy on.
Hey, my loves. Okay, sheesh, I am bright. Okay, hold on. So I'm editing the video and I realized that I didn't record an intro nor outro. So I'm gonna record the outro. But anyway, this is gonna be a total. In this video, I'm gonna be doing a wig install like usual, but instead of me speaking, I'm on my boyfriend try to explain to y'all the instructions. So how do you do? How do you do? Because I know y'all didn't know. Well, I feel like if you don't know anything about wigs, maybe this video will help you so much, because he don't know nothing about wigs and he trying to explain it to y'all. So maybe y'all need it from like a perspective of somebody else that don't understand. Because maybe getting it from somebody that's using the terms and all that other stuff, I don't know, but he did it. Tell me if you guys want more videos like this, like anything, how y'all want me to do it. I'm trying to change up. Like, I want to give y'all more install videos, but it's like, it's gonna get boring if I just keep doing the same thing. Like, okay, y'all can watch me install a wig on myself. Y'all can watch me install a wig on somebody else. Y'all can watch me install. But, like, it's gonna get boring, you know? Yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be coming back with another video real soon. Thank you.